Good morning. Welcome back to A God What This, where you hear God speaking to you every morning at 5 a.m. from the Jamaican New Testament Bible. I'm Marian. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment. God bless you.
A God What This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today, me I go read to you from one book we name Luke. Luke chapter 15 from verse 1 to verse 10. The tax collector and the sinner them gather around for hear what Jesus have to say. But the Pharisee and the law teacher them start grumble say, the man ya friend up sinner and all and yam with them. So Jesus answer them with a Toria. Suppose one of you have 100 sheep and one lost. You now go left the 99 in the field and go look for the one we lost till you find it. And when you find it, you're so glad. You put it on your shoulder and go your yard. And when you reach, you call out your friend and neighbor them and say, come celebrate with me. Me find the last sheep. Jesus said to them, say, me tell you no, a same way heaven I go celebrate when over one sinner we turn to God than over 99 people who do right and never and nothing for sorry for. Or suppose one woman have 10 silver coin and one lost. She now go light the lamp, sweep out the whole house, and look everywhere till she find it. When she find it, she call out her friend and neighbor them and say, make we dance and prance, me find me kind. Me tell you no, as same way God angel them happy when one sinner turn to God. God what this, in a we own a language, thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.